Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you are visiting for the very first time today, I want to say thank you for stopping by and welcome. My name is Monica and I am so happy to have you here. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you as well. Without you guys, I would be absolutely nowhere, and I am so incredibly thankful for each and every one of you. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little mini house tour. So I am not going to be giving you a house tour of the entire house. I'm just going to be giving you a tour of the kitchen and the family room. But I'm also going to share with you some really good tips and tricks to decorating and adding your own personality to your specific style. I currently have my home decorated for summer, and I was so excited to add some really bold colors to my very neutral decor, and I went with a fuchsia color and I am loving it so much. Fall is right around the corner and I am really going to start adding more of those jewel tone colors to my home with this season's fall decor. I cannot wait to share all that with you as well. I am really curious as to what you are all thinking about doing for fall this season as far as your decorating. I am not going to add any type of orange tones to my decor this season. I'm thinking of maybe some burgundies and purples and some darker greens and chocolate tones. I am so excited to add these jewel tone colors to my neutral decor. Obviously, I'm keeping my bigger pieces still very neutral. The majority of what I love are neutral colors. They give me a very calming feeling and I love it, but I also like a little bit of personality to my decor as well. So that's why I'm going to be switching things up with some bolder colors. I have been loving all of the gold colors lately, and I feel like fall is the perfect time to really bring all those out. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that here in the kitchen, but here in the kitchen I really want to add more of that gold. I absolutely love it. I feel like it warms everything up, and I just cannot wait to add a little bit more of that. I recently found this picture of these flowers and fruit at Hobby Lobby, and I feel like it's really been the center of my recent decor with some bolder colors. I want to take a second and tell you a little bit about Skillshare. If you've never heard of Skillshare, Skillshare is an online platform with a wide variety of subjects: photography, videography, Adobe Illustrator, all kinds of really cool stuff. I'm taking an interior design class by Lauren Cox, who is an expert at helping you design your home decor to fit your personality and your style perfectly. She has helped me so much with my decor skills. If you are also someone wanting to work on some skills, right now you can get a free month of Skillshare if you are one of the first 1,000 people to sign up. Click the link down in my description box. Get started. If you are looking to do something fun, they will probably have the answer to all of your questions. So like I said earlier, I got my inspiration mostly from this piece of artwork that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I loved the colors. I loved the gold in there. I loved all of those warm colors that it had. So I wanted to bring all of those colors and maybe something a little more bold into my home. I started with those handtails that I just showed you. I got those from Home Goods, and I really loved that summery color that was in there. And then I also pulled out some of that amber color that was in there as well with this candle. I also purchased the candle at Hobby Lobby as well as that gold candle holder. I found these beautiful wooden corbels at Home Goods, and I thought it would give my kitchen a little bit of a rustic French country look. I love these, and I just stuck them to my backsplash using some command strips. I love the beautiful detail on my cabinet doors with those beautiful glass knobs, so I thought I would bring that down here on my countertop with this salt and pepper holder with that beautiful glass knob top. I found that online. I'm going to try and link everything that I possibly can down in my description box. So that will be down in my description box. I found it on Amazon. And then over here, going with that wooden look, I found these canisters at Kirkland's, and then I just added those beautiful labels using my Cricut machine. I really loved the way these canisters looked with that rustic wood top, so I thought I would just leave my dish drying rack out. I love how it kind of cozies everything up over here and brings in that rustic feel. And then over here I have my beautiful Chandelier Nightlight. I found this at Marshall's a very long time ago, and I really wish that I could find it again because I get asked about it every time I share it in a video. I really wanted to add more of that wood over here on the other side of the sink. I wanted to mirror that look, but not necessarily give it the exact same look. So I added this rustic looking wooden bowl, and then I just added my diffuser to that, adding a little pop of green with some faux greenery. Now we're going to head on into the family room, and I feel like this is where I was a little more daring. I added this beautiful pop of fuchsia in here with all these neutrals, and I found it so beautiful. There are also little pops of green in here as well, so I did add more than just one color, but I am absolutely in love with this look, and I honestly cannot wait to decorate for fall because I will be adding more of those jewel tones in here, and I'm just so excited just thinking about all the things I'm going to be doing. I love how this woven basket that sits just on the side of my china cabinet adds that rustic look along with that elegant look with those beautiful florals that I've placed in there. And then I'm bringing more of that crystal over here. I have a crystal knob tie back that I found at Home Goods a while ago. And then I have more of those wooden corbels that I just kind of set here in the corners of this window, and I think everything works together so beautifully. I also have a rustic looking basket that sits on the floor holding some cozy pillows and a cozy blanket. I feel like there is so much elegance to this side of the wall with this fireplace mantle. I am so in love with my chandelier sconces. I found those online, I want to say maybe 12 or so years ago. And then I found these beautiful gold candlesticks at Michael's along with those beautiful florals. I am just so in love with those colors right now. I think they look beautiful, and I love how they pop with all this white going on over here on this mantle. It definitely brings it to life. And I usually always try to decorate my mantle in 3s or 5s in this case, so I have 5 pieces that sit directly on top of my mantle, and it really balances everything out. And then I have this beautiful chandelier over here in the corner, and I feel like it kind of balances this corner with light because I do have a window just on the opposite side of this fireplace. I really wanted to balance the color in this room, so I decided to add that pop of color over here on my ottoman, as well as that rustic look. So I used a basket here, like a basket tray, and then I placed my arrangement just on top of that. So it adds that elegance and rustic feel at the same time with that beautiful pop of color. And then I have more of that green color over here with this beautiful ottoman cover that I made. And I am so in love with that toile fabric print, and I just love how everything just goes together. So since I had those beautiful crystal sconces on my wall by my fireplace and that beautiful chandelier in the corner, I wanted to kind of bring a little bit of that feeling over here on this side of the room, and I did just that using these beautiful crystal lamps. I found them on Craigslist a very long time ago, and I did paint those white. I was going through my closet and I just happened to find this beautiful pillow that I made a really long time ago, and I love that it had all of those colors mixed in one that I have been using in my home. I love that little pop of fuchsia and those tiny little flowers, that gold and that green as well, and it really just tied everything in this area, and I just love how everything looks. I know I probably say that every time I do a video, but I do get really excited, and I love sharing all of these ideas with you guys. I also feel like the tiniest detail can make a huge difference, and I really noticed what a big difference something very small will make by switching out all of my switch plates. And I did find these on Amazon. I shared them in a past video, but I love that gold look and the elegance with all of that detail. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope I gave you some decorating ideas and some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, I would absolutely love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe before you click out if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.